Leaked news. NIO stockholders, if you're holding 400 NIO shares at least, you need to see this explained. Are you a NIO investor? If you're also a holder of 400 NIO shares, then you must see this. Hola, friends, and welcome back to Stock Market News. Today, we are back here again with some interesting news. We have leaked news from the NIO stock market. Why is NIO better than Tesla now? We will look at every aspect today. So stick with the video and watch it till the end so as to not miss anything. Without wasting any time, let us start with the video. The stock of electric vehicles, or EVs, has had a turbulent week so far, which makes the recent increase in its share price all the more noticeable. Even though investors are aware that NIO's stock price may not be hit too hard if the company makes a bold move similar to the one a Chinese stock made today, the most recent expansion plans for NIO are reassuring investors about the company's growth potential. Then what? NIO has only expanded into one other market so far, and that is Norway. In Norway, the company first introduced its sports utility vehicle, the ES8, in September of last year, and in October of that same year, it opened a showroom called NIO House. NIO Houses are multifaceted facilities that provide a variety of amenities and services to NIO car owners. These facilities include a library and a cafe. NIO just recently completed the delivery of their 500th vehicle in Norway. According to an announcement that was made on the Norwegian version of NIO's mobile app, the company is now ready to expand in Norway, and it plans to open its second NIO house in the European country during the third quarter of this year. CNEV Post reports that the news came about. In addition, plans call for the opening of 2 brand new showrooms and 1 battery swap station, each in Norway this year. NIO's second-generation power exchange station is located in Norway. NIO's battery swap stations are essential to the success of the company because they are the backbone of the electric vehicle manufacturer's popular Battery as a Service, or BaaS, program. This program allows customers to purchase NIO vehicles at lower prices if they do not include batteries and instead subscribe to plans to rent and exchange batteries at NIO swap stations as and when they are needed. To put it another way, NIO wants to build brand loyalty with additional offerings such as NIO Houses and BaaS. However, the company does not want to limit these experiences to China as it works to expand its presence around the world. The expansion that NIO is doing in Norway is, in point of fact, only a small part of its plans for Europe for the year. Since NIO has already stated that it intends to enter the markets of Germany, Sweden, Denmark, and the Netherlands in 2022, the latter half of this year is likely to be a busy one for the company. Although COVID-19 lockdowns in China have caused a slowdown in NIO's production and deliveries over the past couple of months, investors are relieved to learn that the company's expansion plans are proceeding as expected. What's next? The stock price of NIO is soaring today for another reason, and that reason is DiDi Global, a Chinese ride-hailing company, has decided to delist itself from the New York Stock Exchange, and the stock reacted positively to this news early this morning, shooting up. You might be wondering what exactly DiDi's move has to do with NIO at this point. The thing is, NIO also faces the threat of being delisted from the United States as a result of the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act, or HFCAA. This law requires foreign companies to open their audit reports for inspection by U.S. regulators, or else they will be prohibited from trading their stocks in the United States. Certainly, there is a great deal more to DiDi's delisting than meets the eye, as the company was also a victim of China's crackdown on the technology industry, which has stifled growth. NIO, on the other hand, is just one of the many Chinese stocks that face the possibility of being delisted in their entirety. The key difference, however, is that NIO has already taken the initiative to list its stock in Hong Kong and Singapore, thereby giving its shareholders in the United States access to a wider variety of markets on which they can trade their shares. Investors in NIO can take comfort in the fact that, in contrast to DiDi shareholders, they will not be in a precarious financial position if their shares are delisted. Whatever be the conditions, NIO stocks are now better options to buy than Tesla stocks. Here is why. While Tesla Inc. is the most successful electric vehicle manufacturer in the world, NIO Inc. is one of the 3 most successful pure-play new energy vehicle manufacturers in China. Notably, Ford CEO Jim Farley mentioned both businesses as some of the company's fierce competitors in the electric vehicle market just recently. He emphasized the following, which was edited for clarity. Ford will go deeper because we know that NIO and Tesla are our competition, and we have to beat them, not match them. In addition, this was not the first time that Farley had mentioned either of the businesses. In addition, he praised both businesses during an appearance he made on Yahoo Finance in January. Consequently, although NIO is a much less significant competitor to Tesla at the moment and is not making a profit, investors should not immediately write off NIO. Notwithstanding this, we do not believe that the rapid growth of NIO will pose a threat to Tesla's leadership shortly. Despite this, we reveal our top pick and discuss how investors might want to think about including both of these companies in their portfolios. It should come as no surprise that Tesla is an electric vehicle manufacturer that is solidly profitable, while NIO is still not profitable. NIO has, despite this, made significant headway toward becoming profitable as it scales its operations. On the other hand, we do not anticipate that the business will become profitable shortly. Additionally, the company is still in the process of rapidly expanding its operations across the world. In addition to this, it is making significant investments in the development of its battery swap infrastructure, charging infrastructure, and retail footprint. If we base our analysis on their profitability, it is easy to see why Tesla might be the better option for this particular wager. On the other hand, the emphasis that NIO places on its battery swap service to set itself apart from its competitors will, in the near term, hurt the company's ability to generate profits. Tesla announced Giga Shanghai deliveries. February deliveries declined from 59.8 thousand to 56.5 thousand. It was a 209% year-over-year rise, supporting the Shanghai plant's amazing operating rate. With enhancements, Giga Shanghai's run rate could surpass 1 million. It's nearing 800,000 this year. Tesla may develop a new plant in Shanghai to raise its production capacity in China to 2 million. With its latest Berlin permission, Tesla is rapidly scaling up manufacturing. The business has also helped legacy peers with chip shortages. Berlin might help European exporters overcome logistical problems. Shanghai can then serve China's EV thirst. The Chinese government is convinced it can reach 20% in EV sales by 2025. The government has said it could surpass its 2022 goal. China's NEV sales might exceed 5 million in 2022, accounting for 18.2% of new car sales, according to CAAM. We believe Tesla is speeding up production to fulfill EV demand in China. Model 3 delivery in China is now 16 to 20 weeks. Previous deliveries in China took 12 to 16 weeks. We believe Tesla can continue to operate well despite competition from legacy automakers. The green tidal wave should drive consumer acceptance. The Russia-Ukraine conflict could cause oil prices to soar, encouraging people to switch to EVs. Tesla's quick capacity ramp suggests it can satisfy demand. NIO has an aggressive capacity expansion strategy. NIO manufactures with JAC. Last year's deliveries of 94.4 thousand pale in comparison to Tesla's 936,000. NIO's production capacity is below Tesla's. The company plans to scale up to 600,000 over time. It's also expanding into Europe, starting with Norway in 2021. The company plans to be in 25 countries by 2025. Tesla's manufacturing ramp and execution are unmatched. Unlike NIO, it has no external manufacturing partner. We believe it offers superior manufacturing control. Tesla's product is global. NIO's new ET7 flagship sedan will be launched in Europe later this year. The ET7 will launch in China in March and then in Europe. Tesla's business model is therefore proven. EV investors that seek a trusted brand should be interested. NIO's execution isn't perfect, but it's done well so far. Potential is speculative. So, I think we're at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. And if you have any questions or queries in your mind, tell me in the comment box, and also check out our channel where you'll find more really cool stuff.